nested list uses the concept of nested loop to print and process data. We studied this example in last session to declare a nested list and print its value. But in programming, in most cases, we need to create a list in runtime. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. And in this session, we will learn how to create and access a dynamic list. In this session, we will create a 3x3 nested list like this. So logic is to create 3 lists. We call them sublist and append that list to the main list. It will get us a 3x3 nested list. Just imagine it like a 3x3 matrix. Here, each row represents a sublist in the main list. Let's see how to do that in programming. Let's declare a list. Here, A is an empty list. Now, write a main for loop with I as counter and range as 3. Inside the indent of this for loop, declare an empty list T. The first loop will represent a row in our 3x3 matrix. Now, write a for loop inside the main loop's indent with J as counter and max range as 3. Then, write an input statement to accept the number in X and convert that into int using the int function. Then write t.append and in bracket pass the value X. The inner loop will execute the input statement 3 times and prompt the user to enter 3 inputs and create list T with 3 values. Then we will append the list T in the main list A. But make sure you write the statement outside the indent of inner loop. In the end, print the list A. Now run the code. Program will ask for 9 values as the input. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And here is our output. 3 lists inside the main list. Now we will try to print the list in matrix format like this. Again, write a for loop with I as counter and max range as 3. Then an inside loop with J as counter and max range as 3. Inside the indent of second loop, write a print statement. Inside print, we will write list A. Then the index I and J in square brackets. Then mention the end character as space using the end statement. At last, print statement to insert the new line like this. Look at this print statement with I and J as index. When I is 0 and J is 0, then the first element of first sublist is printed. If the value of I is 0 and J is 1, then the first sublist second value is printed. And the end character of space ensures that all the sublists are printed in the same line. Let's run the code. The program will ask for 9 inputs because we have mentioned 3 lists with 3 elements. After entering the last input, this is our output in matrix format. Well, list is over now. We have learned how to declare list, access list, add and update list, delete list, few functions of the list, and even the nested list. We will be using list in many of our future and complicated examples. You will have a more precise understanding then. Please practice more to understand the real life use of list. All the practice examples are available in this URL. And again, thanks for watching. Happy learning to you.